Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to be taking a break from the outside of the car and talking about a little interior cleaning and a really cool new tool that came out from Autofiber. It's actually called the Scrub Ninja. Now, a few years back, a really innovative, cool tool came out, and it's this yellow scrubber, and you can see how much use it's gotten by how dirty it is. And this works really good at cleaning the interior plastics, vinyl, and leather of cars. It's just a very quick and effective way to clean all those surfaces. And so this has been a cool tool for a lot of times, but definitely has some drawbacks. And so Ian came out with the Scrub Ninja, which has a bristle type fabric, but it's more of a fabric than a bristle. And a lot of times, especially on leather, brushes can be too aggressive and you can lose the dye. You could actually scrape down the dye of the leather. So these Scrub Ninjas are perfect because they're not super aggressive, but they're just aggressive enough to actually clean the leather without ruining it. And same with the door panels and other interior plastics like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how effective these can be with a very, very light cleaner. So, and it comes in an array of sizes. There's mitts and all different types of stuff. Little scrubber, the yellow scrubber, like I like, the skinny scrubber on the back, and all sorts of things. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. So they come in a few different kind of sizes and thicknesses, depending on what you want. If you want to be able to stick your hand in there. I prefer this one because it's nice and thin and smooth, sorry. And so I'm going to show you how to clean up this armrest. And actually the armrest really doesn't look that bad. I have the Tsunami cleaner at 4:1 as an interior cleaner. And I'm just going to spray the scrubber and scrub this down. And watch how much dirt comes into the scrubber. So I'm not making a huge mess. I can get around all sides. Look at that. Look at that. For how, I mean, this armrest didn't look that dirty, right? And I don't have chemical all over the place. If I had a brush with bristles, it'd be all over. But look at that. That's just nasty. Even a little bit into the towel. So that's how quickly and effectively you can clean the plastics and leathers and vinyls around the car. So as you can see from the before and after of the scrub pads, even if the interior surface of your car doesn't visually look that dirty, there is bacteria and germs and dirt that are on that surface. Especially if you have a darker color car, it's going to be less easy to see all that dirt and grime. So these Scrub Ninjas or these scrub pads make it a really quick and easy and effective way to release that dirt from any of these surfaces, and then you could wipe it away, ensuring that the inside of your car is sanitized, disinfected, and removed of all these germs and dirt and debris. So I'll link it up in the comments below or the notes below. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get first alerted of other videos just like this one. See ya.